Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by eliminating the obvious electrical and software blockers. First, make sure both AirPods and the case have charge. Plug in and wait 15 minutes if needed. Next, check your device's audio balance and accessibility. Move it to center so sound isn't routed only to one side. Then, clean visible debris from the speaker mesh and the gold contacts in the case using a dry soft brush or cotton swab. This restores contact and prevents intermittent power issues. Once done cleaning, move into the core fixes that actually restore two-sided audio. Carefully clean each earbud's mesh and the case pins with a 70% isopropyl swab. Do not soak components and let alcohol evaporate. Then place both AirPods in the case and perform a factory reset. Hold the rear button for around 15 seconds until the LED flashes white and repair to your device. Make sure to test with another phone or tablet and check for any pending firmware updates. Now finish by verifying the repair with a structured test. Play a stereo track and physically swap AirPods between ears. This confirms whether the issue is the earbud or the source. If you still hear only one side, enable mono audio briefly to see if both produce sound. This isolates routing versus hardware failure. If the problem persists after cleaning, resetting, testing on another device, and updating firmware, contact Apple support or a certified technician and describe the steps you already completed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.